are you, my five viewers? The weather here it's it's cloudy and it's cloudy. But even if it's cloudy, I feel hot. Ganun. Nafe-feel ko yung hot niya. I feel hot. Even this, they are cloudy ba? And how about your weather there? Thank you for the heart is reading on my screen so much. Thank you. My hair is so weak. My hair is weak because I'm done taking a bath and then I'm making a live stream. So how are you everyone? Me, I'm fine. Even I have a toothache here. Yeah, I take a medicine like mefenamic and cephalexin for the antibiotic. Because my teeth it's so pain. So pain. I go there the past days. I go there the dentist to the doctor I mean and check up my teeth. How I do take a medicine, what the medicine taking on me for the relief of the pain. So pain, the toothache, tooth decay. Here, the big tooth here. They have a hole. They have a hole here on my tooth. My big tooth. They have a hole. So that is pain. I feel pain. Here, until here. Severe pain. When I take a medicine, the pain was relief. George Melanie, thank you for coming, George Melanie. Si Erdal Kanyot. Hello, Erdal. Erdal? Erdal Kanyot? And Erdal Kanyot. Thank you for coming, my round. George Melanie, cute shoes. Yeah, it a heels one. Jeremy Adams, thank you for coming. Oh, you are in Turkey. Thank you for watching from Turkey. Turkey. Siri Dalkan from Okay, thank you for watching. Jeremy, hello beautiful queen, how are you doing? Here making a live streaming. Even I have a toothache dicky here, the big thought have a hole, it's pain. And yeah, I take a medicine. I'm done taking a medicine for after my meal. I like your shoes. Yes, because it's a heels one, a silver one. But her skin was scratchy, fading. The color of this heels was fading. Now look at that. That's fading, and but it's okay. This is not a one kasi. This is not a original. Um, like it when you move your shoes quickly. Hello, Eder Dalkan. Always seeing hi to me. Thank you for the heart. It's fading on my screen. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much. Anyway, everyone, do you experience a toothache? Super pain here. I feel smell. I smell small, but deep inside, it hurts. It's pain. Hmm. George Melanie, thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Making live. How fast? If what you say, that's it. How fast my foot shaking? What you see? When what you see in my screen, that's it. Hello, my team viewers. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. My God, live stream. So thank you that you like it. You know Sim. MG, very beautiful woman. Thank you so much. Thank you. The heart is reading on my screen. Thank you for the love. Oh, Istanbul. What part of that place? are you, baby? I'm 30 plus. Si Asmo Maria. Good morning to you there. Here it's 12. So it's PM now here. 12 na time check ko. It's 12. Hi my friend Chavez Catorvidi. Hello to you friend. Mr. Marcos, how does your shoe sound? Windy fall off. Windy fall off or what? Oh look. Did you hear? Did you hear windy fall off? Asu? Ah, your thing's very nice. Thank you so much. They are great, my daughter. Thank you, Yunusim. Thank you so much, Mr. Marcos. I cannot expect this. My super thanks icon. MJ. Thank you so much. Sounds great. Thank you so much for the heart, for the super thanks icon. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you, Azamo Maria. You know, smell. Yeah, I'm married. Trampling? Not now. Not now, trampled. Because YT is so strict. That's the reason why I cannot trample the. That's why sometimes I'm gonna trample, not all the time. Yeah, very happy for the I support thanks button. It's been a long time that I don't have super thanks.